Hello friends, welcome back to Chinyasha channel. So as the title says, today our recipe is potato fish curry. If you're bored eating a regular fish curry, then this one is for you. Try this different fish curry and enjoy. So for this recipe today here I'm taking 1 kg of fish. This is the regular Katla fish. I have cleaned the fish well and let's marinate the fish with 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's shallow fry the fish. Now gently place all the fish pieces on the tawa and let them fry in a low flame. Now let the fish fry for 2 minutes on one side, and after 2 minutes gently flip the fish and fry on the other side for another 2 minutes. Now we need to make a fresh masala paste. So the ingredients are onions 250 grams, garlic pods 10 to 15, 3 tablespoons of dhania, 1 tablespoon cumin, half a tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon and 2 cardamom. Now dry roast all the ingredients except onion and garlic. Add 8 red chillies here. We are not going to add any red chilli powder here, so adjust chillies as per your taste and how you prefer spiciness. Now once they all are roasted, now into a mixture jar add all these ingredients and blend into a rough powder. This is how the powder looks. Now to this powder add the garlic pods and the onions and now make them into a rough paste. Now the freshly blended masala paste is ready. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now once the oil is heat, I'm adding the sliced potatoes here. Here I've taken 2 medium sized potatoes and I've sliced them. The pieces should be of medium size. Now fry them until they turn light golden color. Now once they are done, keep them aside in a bowl. Now here I'm using the same pan and the oil left over from the fried potatoes. To this oil I'm using 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and the red chillies. To this I'm adding the freshly blended masala paste. Fry the masala paste for about 8 to 10 minutes until the raw smell of the onion and the garlic goes off. Now Now after 10 minutes, I'm adding a half a cup of water to this. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Add the fried potato pieces here. After adding potato pieces, add another half a cup of water. Let the potato cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, gently add the fried fish pieces here. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now after 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, the yummy fish curry is ready to serve. This is a different style of fish curry. Please do try this fish curry and enjoy. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.